So, hello everyone. This is the tutorial for downloading Windows Server 2016 ISO file, installing it in the VM virtual machine inside the virtual VMware workstation, then doing RAID operations if the time permits. Okay, so our main goal is downloading and installing Windows Server 2016. Okay, so let's just search Windows. Okay, Windows Server. We need to search this. This is the first link, Evaluation Center. We need to click on this. This ISO file is valid for 180 days. Look at here, 180 days. It will expire in 180 days. So no problem. We don't need this much long. We just need to do our practicals. I have already downloaded this file, so I will not download this, but you can just, it will just start downloading after you click on this 64-bit edition. You can select the language if you want. If you are Russian, you can select Russian. Or if you need English or Spanish, you can do English or Spanish. You know what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I will not download it again. I already have downloaded. I will show you the location. Look at here. This I have already. Size. It is 7 GB. So if you have 7 GB of data in your mobile phone, then only you go this. Otherwise, use Wi-Fi recommended. If you have 5G, then no problem. So I will go to what this VMware workstation. If you don't know how to download VMware workstation, I will drop the link of my previous video in which I have showed you how to download the VMware workstation. Okay, so let's just create the virtual machine. I will go with the typical. Here, please understand, while downloading Windows 10, we used this one, installer disk image file. This one will not work for our server because it is doing the easy install. You can see here, this operating system will use easy install. This easy install is not supported in Windows Server 2016. Okay, I was getting an error. I will show you the error. This is the error you will be getting. So please don't use that point. That I will show you another method. Go to your VMware. Click on this. I will install the operating system later. Don't worry, I will show you the method. Click on next. Here, select Microsoft Windows. Here, select Windows Server 2016. Next, here we can give the name. I don't want to give any name. Here, I will select the location. Please remember, this is the location at where our virtual machine will be stored. Okay. So I will select the location. I will select this one. I will create a new folder, Server 2016. Okay. So I will click next. Okay, I will select here store virtual disk as a single file. Here I will give 40 GB because it is using my own hard disk as a storage, and we also need to create extra disk while doing the RAID operation. So here only I will try to reduce the storage so that this we can use there. Okay. So virtual machine is created. It is not automatically powered on because we haven't provided it any ISO file. Here you can see CD DVD SATA. There is auto detect. We need to change this with our ISO file. Go to edit virtual machine settings. Please, this is a crucial step. Focus here. Click on edit virtual machine settings. Okay, I will show you again. Click here, edit virtual machine settings. Click here, SATA DVD SATA. Please, SATA DVD SATA. Click here. Focus here and click on use ISO image. Okay, now browse here. Use your ISO file. Look, this is the Windows 10 ISO file which I created a tutorial yesterday. You can check out the video. We installed Windows 10 operating system in VMware Workstation. We also downloaded VMware Workstation. So now we will not talk about that. We will talk about this one, the Windows Server 2016 Data Center. Look at this. You can check out the name. It is an eval edition. Eval means evaluation purposes. Companies can download this and companies can use this to evaluate their server performances and all. So I will just click here. Okay. Look here. It is changed to our file. Now I will just power on the virtual machine. Okay. And I will click enter because we are using CD DVD only. Let's go full screen. Okay. So let's click next. Install now. I will fast forward this and I will not speak in between this. No, I mean not this. I will fast forward the installation. This we need, this we still need. So people who are not from the training sessions, this is the GUI version. You can see here GUI version. So we will be getting Windows type operating system here, which we can use because Windows is widely used, so anyone can use this one. And this in this it will give only command prompt. So you will be using everything using commands. You will be doing everything using commands. So if you are expert in command prompts, you are expert in commands, you are expert in using those, you can select this one. But I will prefer this one, desktop experience. You will get GUI, you will get Windows 10 type operating system, which you are already familiar, right? Next, I will agree. Next, custom installation. Next, now I will fast forward this process. The version which we downloaded in says lab, it did not ask any password, anything. This is a different version. This will require a password. The password should be 8 characters long. It should have one special character. It should have one capital uppercase. It should have one lowercase. It should have one number. Okay. So I will just give a password. Let's click Alt. Look at this. Control Alt Delete to unlock, cancel, give the password. The same password which you gave a few seconds ago. Okay, so let it just set up the server manager. So by the way, I have given no to the network access. I don't want it to get access to the internet. So yeah, that's why I said no.
So the installation is done, and congratulations, you have successfully installed the Windows Server 2016. I will create a new video for the RAID operations, so stay tuned. Tomorrow the new video will be uploaded.